So, have you ever wondered if you can grow a mango tree from the seed of a mango you just ate? Today, we're going to try exactly that, and we'll see how quickly it starts growing. First of all, the best time to sow a mango seed is during the warm season, ideally in spring or early summer, when temperatures stay consistently between 24 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. So, we start by removing all the soft fruit from the mango seed and give the hard shell a thorough wash using a brush. This helps remove any leftover pulp that could encourage mold later on. Next, we left the cleaned seed in the sun for a while. Not to dry it out completely, but just enough so it wouldn't slip out of our hands when we open the hard shell. Just to let you know, we removed that outer shell because the rail seed is protected inside it, and cracking it open gives the seed a better chance to sprout. If you sow the seed without removing the outer hard shell, it can still grow, but it will usually take much longer to sprout. Inside this tough outer casing is the actual mango seed that we want. Once we carefully cracked the shell open, we took out the seed and soaked it in water for 24 hours. We do this because the water helps soften the seed and signals it that it's time to wake up and start germinating. After the soak, we wrapped the seed in a moist paper towel and placed it inside a drawer. We'll check the seed every few days to make sure the paper towel stays moist. If it feels dry, we can spray a little water to keep it from drying out. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. In the dark, warm environment, the seed should begin to sprout. A few days later, success. The roots started emerging from the seeds, which is the sign we've been waiting for. All 3 seeds have successfully sprouted. You can clearly see their strong, healthy roots developing. This means they're ready for the next stage of growth. At this point, we planted the sprouted seed into soil with the root pointing downward and gave it a little water. For the first week or 2, it's best to keep the pot in a bright spot with indirect light or just a few hours of gentle morning sun. And a few days later, the first little shoot finally breaks through the soil, reaching its tiny head toward the light. It's so beautiful and fragile at the same time. Young mango seedlings are still delicate, so strong afternoon sunlight can stress them before their roots are established. Keep the soil slightly moist, but not waterlogged, and make sure the pot has drainage holes so excess water can escape. Not long after sprouting, however, disaster struck when my cat accidentally knocked into the pot, leaving only a single surviving seedling to carry on. But there's nothing to worry about. We can continue with this lucky survivor. As that lone survivor continues to grow, we can gradually give it more sunlight over several days. Mango trees love full sun once they're established, but introducing it slowly helps prevent shock. And don't be surprised if those first leaves aren't green. Many mango seedlings produce reddish, bronze, or even purple leaves at first before they gradually turn green. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.